In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a next post button to your WordPress site. Whether you're a blogger or managing a website, providing your readers with an easy way to navigate to your next piece of content is crucial, and it enhances user engagement and site stickiness. We'll walk you through every step, making this process as smooth as possible, even if you're relatively new to WordPress. Let's start by navigating to wordpress.com. It's a platform many of us are familiar with, but if this is your first time, don't worry, I'll guide you through. Once you reach the homepage, your next step is to log in. Look for the login button. It's typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. Now for ease of access, we're going to use Google to sign in. Click on Continue with Google. This option not only saves time, but also keeps your WordPress login details secure through your Google account's protection. Once you click the button, you will see a list of Google accounts that you're currently signed into. Choose your desired Google account that is linked to your WordPress. If it's your first time linking your Google account with WordPress, you might have to go through some permissions process, which is straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. The interface might look a bit busy at first, but our focus is on the right panel. Here you will see something labeled Quick Links. It's a great feature provided by WordPress to access frequently used options quickly. Under Quick Links, locate and click on the Edit Site button. This option will take you directly into the editor interface and allow you to make changes to your site. In the site's editor, let's now focus on adding a Next Post button, which is an exciting feature to have on your blog or site. On the top left corner, you'll find the Add button. Click on it to open up a series of options that let you add different types of blocks to your site. The block-based editing approach of WordPress is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to customize the layout of your posts and pages. In the search bar of the block options, simply type Next Post. This step is straightforward. Typing Next Post filters through only the options that are relevant to what you need. Once the Next Post block appears in the drop-down, all you have to do is click on it. Congratulations, you've now added a Next Post button to your WordPress site. With this handy feature in place, readers can now effortlessly move from one post to the next, ensuring they stay engaged with your content for longer periods.